As a small business owner, things can get pretty hectic. I need to simplify anywhere I can. That's why I started using Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, to monitor and manage my networks. It provides a unified view for monitoring performance and troubleshooting, simplifies device configuration, and sends proactive alerts about potential issues. It saves time and reduces costs by automating routine tasks. Detailed reporting functions further support data-driven decision-making to optimize network performance. In essence, it's a vital tool for any organization using Cisco business class devices, making network management more efficient and cost-effective. If you're interested in using this powerful tool and want to learn more, stick with me. In this first of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll give you an overview and some options for setting up a Cisco Business Dashboard. Next. I'll start by pointing out the link in the description for the CBD support page. This page has links to the documentation for CBD, including the Quick Start Guide, data sheet, configuration examples, technical notes, a device support list, and several other related articles and videos. A new addition that I wanted to mention before I dig into CBD is a newly released application that is a simplified version, CBD Lite. More information can be found in the administration guide. CBD Lite has limited features when compared to CBD and can only be used with a local network and for local management. At release, the only guide available is for installation on a Windows client system. If this is all you need, you should consider this as a simple alternative. If you want more information on what CBD can do before deciding, check out the Cisco Tech Talk Cisco Business Dashboard features. To access details about the specific devices, level, and type of support available in the Cisco Business portfolio, check out the CBD device support list. CBD can manage one network or multiple networks. You can view and manage the Cisco devices within each one. To get a feel of what CBD is like once it is set up, click the link for the online demonstration. If you have 25 or fewer Cisco Business Class devices in total, you do not need to purchase any licenses. If you have more than 25 Cisco devices, that's no problem. It is easily scalable and can manage up to 3,000 devices with licenses. Check the data sheet or your Cisco partner for details. One of the biggest decisions you will need to make when planning out your CBD environment is choosing a platform to deploy it. There are multiple options available. Many customers set up a virtual machine on their computer or a server. It is supported on VMware, Hyper-V, and Oracle VirtualBox. If you prefer a physical server, a bare metal install on Linux is supported for Ubuntu. Cloud-based options allow you to deploy CBD on Azure or AWS, which eliminates the need to deploy a local virtual machine or server for the dashboard. Installation guides are provided for each of the different platforms. Additional information for the cloud-based options can be found at their respective marketplace sites. Here's a quick overview of all the resources we checked out today for reference. Which brings me to the end of part 1. Click the link in the description for part 2, where I'll finish walking you through the basics of setup for the Cisco Business Dashboard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.